we are going to learn about square. First of all, we have to remember some rules which will help us to solve the problems in our examinations. As we know that if we keep in mind these formulas which will help us in the examinations, let us start with square. Here 11, we all know the square of 11 is 121. 1, then 2, then 1. We then take 111 squares. It will be 1, 2, 3, then 2, 1. If we take 4, 1, the square of 4 ones will be 1, 2, 3, 4, then 3, 2, 1. If we'll take the square of 6 ones, square is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. So here we are seeing that all the numbers are 1. So if all the numbers are 1, the square of those numbers will be very simple. We have to write the, say, take an example of another number which has 8 ones. The square of this number is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. So the answer will be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. So we come to the next rule, where we will find out that a plus b whole square. So the formula for a plus b whole square is a square 2ab plus b square. In the formula a plus b whole square, we generally write a square plus b plus 2ab plus b square, but in this case we will write only a square plus 2ab and b square. So take an example of 23. Take the example of 23, where the 23 we will write 2 square, then 2 into 2 into 3 means 2a into b, and then b square, that is 3 square. So we'll write 2 to the 2 square is 4, and 2 into 2 into 3 is 12, and 3 square is 9. So the answer will be we'll write 9. First we'll start from right hand side. We'll write 9, then we will write 2. Here we will write the 2, and we'll carry forward the 4. 4 plus 1, that is 5. 4 plus 1, that is 5. So the answer will be 529. The answer is 529. The square of 23, the answer will be 529. Let us take another example of, say, 36. So in 36 we will find that in 36 3 square, that is 2 plus 2 into 3 into 6 and 6 squares. So we'll write a square plus 2ab plus b square, but we will put only the number, not the plus. Here 3 square is 9, then 2ab is 2 into 3 into 6, that is 36, and 6 square is 36. So we have to solve the problem from right hand side. Say we'll write 6 first. Then we will take the 3 over here and carry the 3 to this number and write 6 plus 3, that is 9, and again we have to carry this number to the left hand sides, that is 9 plus 3, 12. So the answer is 1296. So we can solve all the two numbers squares in this procedures. So you have to remember all the formulas to solve this number, and we have to practice this. Then we take an example of, say, three numbers, say 115, the square of this number. Now in this case we have to remember that in the right hand side 115, so in this case we have to remember that if in the right hand side there is a 5, so the solution will be very easy. We'll write 11 into 12, and that is to be multiplied, and 5 will be square. So if there is a 5 in the right hand corner, or the right hand number is 5, the formula will be a into a plus 1 and 5 square. So the formula will be like this: a into a plus 1 and 5 into 2, 5 square. So the answer will be 11 into 12 and 5 square. So the answer will be 11 into 12 is 132, and 5 square is 25. So we'll put the number like this. The answer will be 13,225. Now we take an example, a small example of, say, 25. 25 square will be, say, 2 into 3 and 5 square, that is, say, 625. So we have to solve, we have to practice all these formulas, and then we come to, say, another formula where we will find, say, all the numbers are 9. All the numbers are 9. So in this case we have to remember 2 or 3, say 999. In this case we have to remember some steps. First steps is step 1. Step 1 where we'll write n minus 1 number of 9. So the answer will be, in our answer there will be n minus 1 number of 9. N minus 1 number of 9. And the step 2. In step 2 we will write that 8. So there will be 8, the step 2. And in step 3 we will write n minus 1 number of 0. And in step 4 we will write the last number must be 1. So our problem is one 999. So how to write this in this method? In this method we will write uh, the first step is n minus 1 number of 9. So 9 and 9, 29, the answer will be 29. Then there will be 1 8, so then there will be 1 8, and then there is n minus 1 number of 0. So n minus 1, that is 3 minus 1, that is 2 0, and the last number must be 1. So the square of 999 is, so the square of 999 is 998,001. Say take another example of say 49. The square of 4 nines will be, in the first steps we have seen that n minus 1 number of 9. So there will be 1 2 3 4 nines. So 4 minus 1, 3 9 will be the answer. Then there will be 1 8. In the step 2 we'll write 1 8. So there will be 1 8 and n minus 1 number of 0. So the n minus 1 number of 0 means 30, and the last number is 1. So by keeping all these formulas, so the answer will be 999,800,001. So 999,800,001. These are the some formulas which we have to practice to solve this problem. If we're able to remember all this, we can solve our sums in our examination.